Okay, all these Honda Odysseys, they have this kind of issue. So I'm gonna show you what is this car doing. You see, it won't lock, it won't open. So the other sides, they're locked. See, but this one is open. So the problem is with this door is not locking or unlocking, is because you can do it manually, but the control won't work. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this little part, which is the door actuator, which goes right behind this panel. So I have to roll down the window so that I don't lock myself in, and I mean the door, and then I'm gonna remove this door panel. So this is the part, very inexpensive part, like about $10, and this is the part number right there where I bought it. I bought it on Amazon for like $10. So okay, let's remove this panel. Now we have to remove this little panel right here. Use this tool. You can use a screwdriver. Just go under here, twist it to the left, and then the thing comes out. So this little clip right there goes right there on the square one right here, and just unplug this harness right here. Let me show you. See right here, this clip right here. Just press this tab and you should be able to unplug it. Here's the little tab that I was talking, this way. Just press down. There we go. So now we need to remove this screw right here, which is down there. And it has one more on the bottom, like in the middle of the door. I'll show you where it is. There you go. This one right here, and the other one is down here. See, you have a better angle, so I already loose it. So both are the same size. So just put it next to your switch control, and then we're ready to remove this panel right here. Just go right from the back right here and go on the bottom too, and it'll pop out. See right here. Go right here. Voila. See right here. That's right here, and this part right here. That's where those tabs they clip. So now ready to remove the okay, see. So the wire is right there, the rod, and so right here along the panel there are clips. So all you need to do is just see right there. Just mainly go right there. Go right here on the bottom too as well. There's one right there. And then go right here. So when like in the middle. Right there. And this door pretty much panel is out. There's one more right here. So this let's remove this one too as well. There's another one holding the door right here behind this cover. So let's remove this little cover behind the door handle. This is a cover that goes on the back of the handle. So just with a screwdriver, flat one, little one, just press down and then this thing will come out. And let's remove these two. Thought it was one, but I think there are two screws that are holding this door panel together. So there goes one. And there's one more right here. These two are smaller than the other ones, so just try to put everything together so you don't lose them. So this point, let me show you. Just lift up your door panel, and all this part right here should be able to come off. There you go. See? And this is the rod where the lock goes. So right here on the back, just disconnect your plug for the speakers right here. There you go. So just press this little tab right there to disconnect, and the door handle. You can see this is your door handle right here. So let me show you. There is a little clip right here. Just twist it down. Okay, let me see. Easy. Twist it down. Put it on the side. The wire just let me see. And this one right here, twist it as well. You can use pliers or you can use your fingers. So or you can disconnect it from here too as well. Let me put my phone down so I can use my other hand. Okay guys, so this thing just pull it out, and then once you're here, let me focus my, then once you're here, just twist your cable like that, and this little guy, just move it on the side and comes off. See that? So then the door is not in your way. So here's your door panel. This is how your the inside part looks like. So we have to remove this this plastic on the side, so then we can work on the, so mainly we're gonna remove this side, not this side. So just remember where your green part, yes. So after you remove the plastic from the panel right here, then you should have this uncovered and remove this little screw right here, which I already did, and there's another one right here. I already removed it. Remove the this clip right here, this pinch. So we can do one hand. So right there, and we have to remove these 3 screws to take out all the assembly. Okay, so make sure you use the right bait so that you don't strip off these screws, because they're very hard, they're very tight. Okay guys, like I said, it has to feel really nice and tight there. So in this case I'm using my drill, so I kind of push against the door, and there we go. Believe me, these things are hella tight. One now, 2, there you go. So guys, after removing these 3 screws from the back, then I remove this clip right here, this white clip right here from the back. Just pinch gently and it'll come out eventually. So unplug the connectors from the actuator there. So they're different, the bigger one on the top, the small one on the bottom. Just pinch on these tabs with the pliers, needle pliers, and then it'll come off. So I had to reconnect my door window switch, because I need to raise up my, I mean, I don't have to, but I raise up my window, so then there's more space here to work around this area. So the only thing you have to do is, the tricky part is this rod right here on the top. This is the trickiest part. Right there. So just you have to pinch that way. So then, let's see if I can. There you go. Yeah, that's a lot of people don't show you, but I'm showing you. Yes. See, and you just remove it out, and this should be able to come. See right here. with the screwdriver. That screwdriver just unhook it from here. There we go. See, just this little rod right here, little nipple. Sorry if I'm not recording, but it's too tight here. So this little nipple goes inside right there, where the blue thing is right there, and you just push it in. So at this point we're pretty much ready to take this out. Okay, let me put my phone down so that I can maneuver this thing out. Okay guys, I was missing one more step. In order to take this actuator assembly out, you see this little rod right here, this little thing that is holding like a bracket for the rail for the window, so you have to remove it. So you have to remove this tin board right here. So then it's not on the way. As you can hear, is this piece right here. You have to remove this, and voila. So that is your part right here. See, from the top to the bottom, right there. And now here it comes. So here is the part, the assembly. I'm gonna show you a closer look how it looks. See right there, this is the piece that failed, and we're gonna replace it. You see right there, that's your cable for the door handle right here. So this is the bracket for the 3 screws on the back. So we have to remove this plastic cover in order to remove this part here. So here it has one plastic, and so this is pretty much quick. Remove this one right here, and just pry this thing. And I'm gonna show you the other side of the assembly. So right here. Okay. So you don't have to worry about all this part right here. The only thing you have to worry about is disassembling the back, so then you can replace this black part right here. Okay, so I'm gonna pick it apart and then I'll show you how it looks like when it's done. So here's the assembly. So it has three little screws right here. So one is right there, one right here, and one right there. So Honda, they put these little black stickers to maybe hide it, so you don't know how to take it apart. So but they're right behind these little 2 squares. If you don't know, right there. 3. After you take this out, right here there is another small screw, which is the black one right there. You remove it, and then you have to remove this little bracket right here out of the way, right there. And then right here, your new actuator, this is what it's gonna go right here. So you see this little tab right there, they slide down to get in. You see it right there. Just go on this side up, and on the other side do the same thing. Right here, do the same thing, and you should be able to take it out. So I'm not gonna show you because I'm recording it, but you can see one side is out, and I just need to pry on the other side, but I can't because I'm holding my phone. Okay, so after moving this cover with the 3 screws and the black screw that goes right there holding the bracket with the assembly, so then you have to remove this bracket on the side. So, and I'm gonna show you the points where this bracket sits. You see this part black foam right here sits right there in place, and then this little hook right there latches right there with this little white tab right there. Is a little gap right there, and then this that's the hole for the black screw, and then this, I'm sorry, and this one right here, that's this little hole right here is for the actuator right there, to line up the actuator. And then and the tab, this is little two right there, two little holes right there, that's for the bracket latches with the plastic cover right there. Okay, so this is my old one right here. So in order to come out, then just with a fast screwdriver, just pry these little tabs right here, this one on this side and the other one right there out, and then you should be able to take it out. So you see right there, that's the old one. Just compare your parts always to make sure they're the same, and they're pretty much the same. So then at this point it's just a matter of putting things back together. So right here and right there, that's where you line up your little tabs right there, where my fingers right there, see right there. Okay, so just line up your new actuator and just press down. There we go, right there. So it's in there, and your bracket, just put it back to line up all the points that I mentioned before, but the easiest way is just line up your bracket right here with the plastic right there, the little two tabs right there, and then go on the other side, and then just put your black screw right there and line up, of course, your little that tab with the from the actuator with the bracket right there. So pretty much done putting this. So once you put your actuator on the top, then put your bracket, make sure you line up this tab right here, and there we go, right there. Let's see, right there, and then your cable for the handle, your little tab right there, the the dog actuator little thing right here, and these two little clips right there. So it's flush. So you see, now I'm just gonna put my screw right there to secure my bracket, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my my plastic over, and then I should be able to put everything back in reverse. So one of the things, make sure this thing, sometimes this little plastic thing right here that goes in the back, it falls, and these two, so make sure you know how it goes. Okay, the little leverage right there, grab my screwdriver right there, just right there, this thing right here goes on the back right here. So just make sure, if you ever happens to you that there is a little plastic gasket on the back in here, so then make sure you put it back underneath, and then you put your bracket on top. Okay, so now I'm done to putting the plastic cover. Just line up this part right here, this little clip right there, and the one right there, 3 little screws right there, 1 2 3, and make a flush, and this is ready to go back on the car. So okay guys, so after putting the actuator on the assembly, just feed it through the back here, and all you have to do is just feed it the rod for the lock right here through this hole right here. Make sure you line up your little tab right there, and then you just put your screw right there. The small one goes on the top, the fatter, the bigger one on the bottom right here, and then line up your 3 bolts right here, and then your bracket, little bracket right here, just line up, put it inside, and just screw it with your 10mm bolt right there. So you make sure line up right here, little 2 little hole right there, the 3 bolts, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the bracket and tie up everything here. Guys, make sure your bracket right here, this bracket, the bracket lines up with right there. See, right there. So don't put it in outside, don't put it inside, just line it up, so then the glass goes down here properly. So when you line up this thing right here, then secure your pin. Should be okay now. So at this point, just line up the rod right here, and then just just hit it, like push it. There you go. You hit the click like that, and then this thing just bring it down onto the rod. Okay, there you go, right there. So this is the tricky part, but it's not too hard. It's pretty easy to do it. So everything looks fine to me now. So just your little clip right there. Oops, right there. Let me just line it up, and it should be able to. There we go. And then your connectors right there as well. So the bigger one on the top, the small one on the bottom. Oh, right there. Hit a little click right there. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna do the one on the bottom first. Okay. There you go. So you got two. And everything looks good to me now. So just before putting the panel, the cover, so make sure your door opens and locks and unlocks. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I still have my window switch connector here. So this is the time to check your door lock actuator, if you're working or not, if you did it right or did it wrong. So here we go. There you go, it's working. So at this point I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of show you through all the small steps to put everything back, so it should be quick and easy. Okay, so the actuator is working, it opens and closes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and feed this through the plastic, this one as well, and drag this little clip right here. Everything is tight, secure now. These two, the bracketing size good to go. The 10, the 3 ones for holding the assembly, and here we go. So I'm gonna use my one sheet to hit a little bit of this glue, so then I can glue it back easily, because right now that it's cold, it's kind of hard. Just have it to melt a little bit. And there we go. Okay. Just stick it all the way around. Guys, don't forget you to connect your speaker and your door handle cable right there. Okay guys, we're almost done here. So just line up your, after you line up this the lock and this part here, then line up your clips right here. Okay, show you right here. all those white clips right there. Try to line them up. And there we go. That's it for the panel. And then after that, get your screw right here, secure the door, and then right here on this side. Use this one. There you go. One, and we have another one right here underneath. And two more right here for the door handle. There you go. One more. And your cover. There you go. So two here, one on the bottom right here. And door switch. Just line up those little tabs right there. There you go. There you go. And the other and last piece of the puzzle. There you go. And that's it for the day. So here's your the actuator. So very inexpensive piece. If you take it to the shop or to the dealership, they're gonna screw you big time. So go on Amazon. It's about $10, $12, 13, 14, 15, depends how much you want to spend, but it's the same piece and it works. And I'm gonna show you that this thing indeed is working now. You see, now opens and closes. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here to help you out, and subscribe, like my videos, and let me know what you want to know. Thank you. Bye bye.